Okay, so today we're going to learn how to divide two numbers. And the numbers that we're going to divide is the number 232 divided by 4. The way we set this up is we start on the top rows and we represent our 232. Now, unlike the multiplication, we don't put anything down on the bottom. So we start with our 232, and what we do is we're going to move 4 over for every one bead that we move to the right. So we're going to start on our bottom rung, and right away we need to move over 4 to the left. We only have 2, so like the multiplication process, we're going to bring over those 2. We're going to take these 10 ones and replace it with 1 10 to borrow, and then we still had to bring 2 more over to make our 4. So for every group of 4, then we move 1 bead over to the right. So repeat the process: 4 beads over to the left, 1 to the right, 4 to the left, 1 to the right. Now we want to stay, instead of moving up to the red, we're going to stay with our white beads. We're out of those, so we need to move 10 over and replace a group or one bead which represents the 10 ones. Okay, so we move over 4 for 1, divide another 4, move 1 over, and once again we only have 2. We need to move those over and put a 10 in its place. We still have to move 2 more over to make the 4, and then bring over 1, move over 4 again, bring the 1, divide by 4, move over the 1. Alright, so now we're done with this third row, and we're going to actually move up a row and also move up to our tens row on the bottom. So we don't have anything over here to move over, and in order to do that we're going to need to move 10 tens over, and this represents our hundreds, so we're going to move 10 tens is 100. We're going to move that bead over to the left, so we can use our red beads now. So this time we're still going to move 4 over and move up a rung to the green and move 1 over to the right. Divide by 4, move 1 to the right. Okay, so we only have 2, so we need to borrow 100 in place of our 10 tens, and we still have our 2 to move over, and 1 green one to the right, 4 over, 1 to the right, 4 over, 1 to the right. We're all out of our beads now in the top, so the bottom represents our answer, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That represents 50, and then we have 8 ones, so the answer is 58. Therefore, the answer is 232 divided by 4 is equal to 58.